In this detailed step-by-step tutorial, you will learn how to grout roof floor tiles like a true professional and achieve a clean, strong, and waterproof finish that lasts for years. Filling tile joints on a rooftop is not just about appearance, it plays a crucial role in protecting your surface from water infiltration, cracks, and long-term damage caused by weather conditions such as sun exposure, rain, and temperature changes. In this video, we take you through the complete process of grouting outdoor roof tiles, starting from surface preparation to the final finishing touches. You will discover how to properly clean the tile joints before applying grout, how to choose the right type of grout for outdoor use, and how to mix it to the perfect consistency for smooth application. We also demonstrate the correct techniques to spread grout evenly between tiles, ensuring that all gaps are completely filled without leaving air pockets or weak spots. Additionally, you'll learn how to remove excess grout efficiently without scratching the tiles, and how to clean the surface to reveal a flawless finish. We also share practical tips and professional secrets to help you avoid common mistakes such as uneven joints, cracking grout, or poor adhesion. Whether you're working on a small rooftop area or a large surface, these techniques will help you achieve a durable and aesthetically pleasing result. This guide is perfect for beginners who want to learn the basics of tile grouting, as well as experienced workers looking to improve their finishing quality. By following these steps, you can ensure that your roof tiles are not only visually appealing but also resistant to water and long-term wear. If you are passionate about tiling, construction, or home improvement, this video will provide valuable insights and hands-on techniques that you can apply to your own projects. Don't forget that proper grouting is the key to extending the life of your tiles and maintaining a professional look. Watch until the end to see the final result and learn how to achieve perfectly smooth and durable tile joints on your rooftop. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more professional tiling tutorials.